chapter, we're going to continue with that. Congruent triangles and congruent polygons, okay? Definition of congruent triangles, right here. Triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF if and only if angle A is congruent to angle D. Angle B is congruent to angle E. Angle C is congruent to angle F. AB is congruent to DE. BC is congruent to EF. And AC is congruent to DF. Okay? The book likes to call it corresponding parts of congruent triangles are congruent. I call it definition of congruent triangles. Okay, if you see this in the book, this is what they mean. Okay? I'll use both of them. This is what it really is, but they like to abbreviate it CPCTC. CPCTC. I don't know what. Anyway, we also have the third angles theorem. If two angles are congruent, then the third angles have to be congruent. So if these are both 30, and these are both 50, that adds up to 80, right? So the last ones both have to be 100. The third angle has to be congruent. If you prove this theorem on your own here, over the weekend, turn it in Monday, I will give you up to 10 extra credit points. Okay, up to 10 extra credit points. If you prove that theorem. Alright, so we're going to be applying these right now. List all the congruent parts for these two triangles. We've got triangle wax, we've got triangle toe. Okay, you got triangle wax, we've got triangle toe. We've got to list all the congruent parts. Okay? Give me one pair, let's start with the angle. Let's start with the sides. WA. What's the WA going to be congruent to, sir? EO. Correct. They're both 8. Congruent to EO. Excellent. AX. What is AX congruent to? Ma'am? TO. Correct. They're both 6. And WX. It's congruent to what? It's king. TE, correct, they're both 10. Now we've got all 3 pairs of sides congruent. Let's go with the angles. Angle A is congruent to what? Raise your hand, please. Yes, sir? Angle A is congruent to angle what? Angle A. Angle X. What's angle X congruent to? Ma'am? Angle X is congruent to angle E. X and E? Really? Oh, it's angle T, isn't it? Angle X and angle T, because they're both 60. And then the last one. Last one. Mr. O'Neill. The last pair of congruent angles. We got A is congruent to O, X is congruent to T. W and E. Oh no. Does it say that they're congruent? It doesn't say that they're congruent. But do we know they have to be congruent? Yes, we do actually. Angle W is congruent to angle E. You're correct, sir. Because of the third angles theorem. If 2 angles are congruent, that means the third pair has to be congruent. This one's 90, this one's 90. So that's one pair, this is 60, this is 60. So how many degrees has to be left? I mean, that's got to be 30. Oh, wait, that one's got to be 30. Okay? That one's got to be 30. Great. Now we just have to write a congruent statement. Triangle, what? It's congruent to triangle what? It's called triangle wax. WAX is congruent to triangle. Not toe. You fell for it. Match everything up. What is angle W congruent to? E. A matched up with O. X matched up with T. E. O. T. Oh, sneaky Mr. Kuhne. Sneaky Mr. Kuhne. Yep, angle EOT. So you got to make the corresponding parts match up. If you don't, you're going to die. Someday. Alright. Easy? Over here, it tells us triangle ABC is congruent to triangle MNO. Triangle ABC is congruent to triangle MNO. Those don't look congruent, do they? They don't look like twins. Does that mean they're not congruent? They are congruent because it says so. We can't always trust our eyes. Okay? You can't always trust your eyes. You have to trust the information that they give you. Okay? Imagine you're flying a plane. You're flying through clouds. You can't see ahead of you. If your instruments tell you that the ground is 10 feet down, you better be pulling up, right? You have to trust the instruments, okay? Subdrivers. People are driving the nuclear subs in the military. They can't look out the window and see what's ahead of them. They have to use sonar and they have to use a stopwatch. Because if they know how fast they're going, and they know how long they're going that fast, they can figure out how far they've gone. Okay? Distance equals rate times time. There's a great movie called Hunt for Red October where the guy is telling the sub-drivers to turn this way, turn this way. They're going through a canyon and all they're using is a stopwatch to find out when they need to turn. Okay? They can do that though because they trust the given information. They're not trusting their eyes. Everybody's seen optical illusions before, right? It looks like this one's bigger than this one. Nope, they're actually the same. So, based on this, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle MNO. We got to find, well, let's start with, how about we start simple? Start with Z here, okay? Z is the same as angle B, right? Z is the same as angle B. What does angle B match up with? Look up here. Everybody, 1, 2, 3. Angle N. So how much is angle N? Look at the picture. 70 degrees. So angle Z is equal to 70 degrees. Pretty simple. Take 30 seconds, figure out how much X is, and figure out how much Y is. 30 seconds. Go. You can do it with a partner if you need to. Everybody seems to already have it. Let's see here. Is that a sprout? How's it going? How much is Y? Sorry? 4? Let's see here. AB. So Y is the same as AB. AB is the same as MN, which is the same as 4. So Y the transit property, Y equals 4. Long distance high five. You rocked it. All right, last one. How much is X equal to? It's a scarf.
3.
3. How'd you get that?
Well, I don't know.
All right.
3 times 3 plus 1, 10.
Okay, but you said, okay, 3x plus 1, that's AC. AC. That matches up with MO. So 3x plus 1 is the same as AC. And that's the same as mo, which is 10. So by the transitive property, 3x plus 1 is equal to 10. So subtract 1 from both sides, 3x equals 9, so x equals 3. You are awesome, sir. Ooh, that's a good one. Yeah. Good high five. All right. So we just make the stuff match up. We can't always trust our eyesight. This is congruent triangles.